Sound system hits hard. Woo!
Perfect climate anywhere. Smart climate control adapts instantly. Follow for comfort tech.
Wait till you see this at night. Ambient lighting creates a cozy atmosphere. Subscribe for lifestyle upgrades.
This camper protects you like no other. Advanced safety system with collision prevention. Follow for safer tech. Feels like driving a spaceship. Digital cockpit with AI-assisted driving. Subscribe for next-gen vehicles. Hidden storage everywhere. Maximize storage with hidden compartments. Follow for clever designs. No fuel? No problem. Solar-powered system for off-grid living. Subscribe for future tech. Control everything from here. Central touchscreen controls lighting, climate, and security. You won't believe this is inside a camper. Ergonomic premium seating with full recline. Road trips just became... This door alone feels like a luxury apartment. Smart access entry with illuminated steps and secure locking system. Tap subscribe for more premium features. These headlights don't just shine, they TH ink. Adaptive LED headlights adjust to terrain, weather, and symbols. What if your home could move like DHIS? This is the all-new 27 Honda Adventure Camper. STO scrolling's eye. This doesn't look like a camper, this looks like the future. Look at that front fascia mirror. Bold grille. From the reinforced chassis to the customizable interior, this vehicle is built for adventure, offering unparalleled freedom on the open road. This is the future of travel. Spirituin, Proverbs, Fracturable and Geoports Orchest. Silent but powerful. But the real luxury is inside. The supple leather seating, with its rich texture and detailed stitching, truly sets this apart. Luxury meets adventure. As we move inside, notice the seamless integration of the kitchenette and the versatile seating area, which easily converts into a comfortable sleeping space. Minimal space, maximum comfort. And for easy access, even with the lifted suspension, we have the automatic power step that extends instantly when the door opens. We put the camper to the test with this simulated downpour. The specialized weather shield coating ensures that water continuously... Rain? No problem. Welcome, everyone. Today, we're excited to show you the newest addition to the lineup, featuring our innovative pet travel solutions. Pet-friendly design. Staying connected on the road is essential. That's why we've included multiple high-speed USB ports, keeping all your devices charged up. Charging everywhere. And with the Honda Satellite Link navigation system, finding your destination is a breeze. This innovative smart mirror system utilizes a side view camera, giving you an unparalleled view of your surroundings. This mirror sees everything. And with the press of a button, the autonomous parking system takes over, guiding the RV smoothly into the space. Perfectly parked. Parking made easy. Fuel efficiency redefined. The new auto-locking system provides seamless security. Just walk away and it locks itself automatically. Security like a fortress. But the real magic happens when you turn on the sound system. Crystal clear audio, deep bass, designed to elevate your adventure. And right here, the integrated flat screen television extends smoothly and powers on, ready for movie night under the stars. Entertainment anywhere. welcome inside. As you can see, we've integrated a full-featured workspace, perfect for staying connected wherever your journey takes you. This is the expandable roof feature. As you can see, it lifts smoothly into place, creating ample headroom and maximizing your living space. This roof transforms. Whether it's the Arctic blizzard or the searing desert heat, the new Honda RV's insulation system keeps the interior perfectly comfortable. Built for extreme weather. We're incredibly excited about the all-new wheels and tires on the Honda. They provide unmatched grip and durability for any adventure. Introducing the revolutionary Honda Camper Concept. Compact, high quality, and ready for anything. Lights that guide your adventure. 360-degree lighting system for safety and visibility. Follow for more. Built for long journeys. Integrated water storage and purification. Subscribe for survival tech. Imagine waking up to DIS view. Panoramic windows designed for immersive travel experiences. Follow for dream travel setups. Yes, it even has VIS. Compact luxury bathroom with modern fittings. Follow for full tour. This transforms in seconds. Convertible sleeping system, or comfort meets efficiency. Follow for more genius designs. This kitchen beats most apartments. Fully functional kitchen with smart storage and induction cooking. Hit subscribe for more innovation. This camper carries e-everything. Integrated rooftop storage for gear, luggage, and adventure essentials. Subscribe if you love smart design.